Dear students, this is SSR Academy of IIT Foundation in Mathematics YouTube channel. In this session, we are going to discuss the problems based on predecessor and successor of a number. So, the problems, number one, first problem is the successor of 74 is dash. Successor means the number which we added 1 to the number, we get its successor. So here given number is 74. Now we are going to find the successor of 74. So to find its successor is, we add 1 to the number, we get its successor. So 74 plus 1. 74 plus 1. So both are positive. We already know that 74 plus 1 is equal to 75. So in this 75 is successor of 74. This is the first problem. The second is the predecessor of minus 45. So here the number is integer. Minus 45 is an integer. Now we are going to find its predecessor. What we mean that predecessor? Predecessor is a number, its predecessor is just before a number. So suppose we take minus 45 is a number, to get its before number we subtract 1 from the number. So here minus 5 is given number, and to find its predecessor we have to subtract 1 from the number. So here minus 45 is the number. Now we are going to find its predecessor. So we subtract 1 from it. So here minus 45 is the number and its predecessor is minus 45 minus 1. So this is sum of integers. So here both the signs are negative. So we add the numbers 45 and 1. 45 1 is 46, and put the symbol which the two numbers have. The two numbers 45 and 1 have negative sign, so we write negative sign before the sum of 45 and 1. So this is the predecessor of minus 45. Next, the third is the sum of 92 and its predecessor is. So here first we write the given number. What is given number in the problem? 92. So we write given number is 92, and we are going to find its predecessor. When we are going to find it, the number's predecessor, we subtract 1 from the number. So here also the given number is 92. Next, its predecessor is. So when we are going to find its predecessor, we subtract 1 from the number. So we write 92 minus 1. 92 minus 1 equal to 91. But the problem is the sum of 92 and its predecessor. So 92 and its predecessor is 91. Sum equal to 92 plus 91, that is equal to 183. This is the sum of 92 and its predecessor. Next, the sum of minus 57 and its successor. So here given number is minus 57. When we are going to find a successor of a number, we add 1 to the number. By using this formula or this rule, we find its successor. Its successor is minus 57 plus 1. So here this is the sum of integers. Here we have two numbers 57 and 1 which have the signs minus and plus. When one of the numbers is minus and other is plus, then we subtract the smallest from greatest. By using this rule, we write 57 minus 1 is 56 and put the symbol which the bigger number have. Here the bigger number is 57, its sign is minus, so we write minus 56. This is its successor. Successor of minus 57 is minus 57 plus 1 minus 56. Next, the problem is sum of. Sum means we add the numbers minus 57 and its successor. Sum equal to minus 57 plus minus 56. So we add these two numbers minus 57 minus 56. Here both are negative symbols. So when the both symbols have negative, we add the numbers and put the symbol which the two numbers have. So when we add 57 and 56, we get 113 and the symbol is minus 113. So the sum of minus 57 and its successor is minus 113. So these are the different from each other. Next problem is fifth. The difference between a number and its successor is. So we are going to find the difference between a number and its successor. So there is no number in the given problem. So we take any number. So let we take a number 12. Let a number equal to 12. Its successor is 12 plus 1. We find its successor by adding 1 to the number. So given number is, we take the number as 12 and its successor is 12 plus 1, 13. Now difference means subtracting smallest from biggest number. Biggest number is 13 and smallest number is 12. 13 minus 12 is 1. So difference is 1. So this is the difference between a number and its successor is always equal to 1. Similarly, the difference between a number and its predecessor is also always equal to 1. Suppose we take a number 15 and its predecessor means to subtract 1 from the number. So 14. What is the difference between these two? 1. So this means the difference between a number and its predecessor is also always equal to 1. Next, sixth, the difference between the successor and predecessor of any number is. So there is no any given number. So we take a number. Let a number is 17. Next we find its successor is. Successor means by adding 1 to the number we get its successor. 17 plus 1 is 18. Next its predecessor is 17 minus 1 equal to 16. So now difference equal to 18 minus 16 is 2. So this is also always equal to 2. That means the difference between the successor and the predecessor of any number is always equal to 2. Next, the sum of the successor and the predecessor of any number is dash to the number. That means what is the relation between sum of successor and predecessor of a number with the number? Now we write and we take a number 6. Let a number is 6. Its successor is, we get its successor by adding 1 to the number. 6 plus 1 is 7. Next, its predecessor is 6 minus 1 is 5. Now 7 plus 1 sum equal to 12. So now the number is 6. And the relation between 6 and 12, we write it as 12 as 2 into the number. So sum equal to double to the number. So the sum of successor and predecessor of any number is always double to the number. So these are the problems. So first problem, fifth problem is difference between a number and its successor. Number, let a number is 12 and its successor is 12 plus 1, 13. Difference equal to 13 minus 12 is 1. So this is always same. So we take any number and find its successor. The difference is always equal to 1. So this is the difference between a number and its successor is always equal to 1. Similarly, difference between a number and its predecessor is always equal to 1. Next, the difference between the successor and predecessor of any number is. So let we take a number 17. We find its successor 18, its predecessor 16. Difference is subtracting 16 from 18, we get 2. The sum of seventh, successor and predecessor of any number is dash to that number. So relation between sum of successor, predecessor and with the number. So let we take a number 6. You can take any number. Its successor is 7. Its predecessor is 5 and their sum is 12. Now we are going to find the relation between 6 and 12. So we can write 12 as 2 into number is 6. 2 into 6. So 2 into means double to the number. So sum of successor and predecessor of any number is always double to the number. So these are the problems. Next we go to 8th problem. The successor of y plus 11 is dash. So here these type of problems we have to know some little knowledge about algebraic expressions. In the algebraic expressions there are words, variables and constants. In the term y plus 11, y is a constant. All English alphabets are taken as variables and all numbers are taken as variables. So here we have two terms. First term is y and the second term is 11. First term is y. We can take any value in the place of y, whether it is right or wrong. Suppose we write a equation x plus 7 equal to 10. So this is an equation. So in this we can take any value in the place of x. Suppose we take x equal to 1, 1 plus 7 equal to 10. This is wrong. 1 plus 7 is generally 8. 8 equal to 10 is wrong. Again we take 2 plus 7 equal to 9. This is also wrong. Next we take 3 plus 7 equal to 10. This is right. 3 plus 7 is 10. 10 equal to 10. 4 plus 7 equal to 10. This is also wrong. 4 plus 7 is, so here also 2 plus 7 equal to RHS 10. This is also 10. So 1 plus 7 is 10 is wrong. 2 plus 7 is also wrong. 3 plus 7 is 10 equal to right. 4 plus 7 equal to 10 is also wrong. So here in this case we take 4 values in the place of x. Those are 1, 2, 3, 4. So when we substituting 1 in the place of x, we get wrong. If we substitute x equal to 2, this is also wrong. If we substitute x equal to 3, it is right. So the solution for x plus 7 equal to 10 is 3 generally. So if we take any number in the place of any variable means we can take any value in that place. So x plus 7 equal to 10 and this x equal to 3 is right answer. So we can substitute any value in the place of x, either it is right or wrong. So next here the given problem is successor of y plus 11. So here y is variable and 11 is a constant term. So in addition or subtraction of algebraic expressions we add like terms. So we can discuss this in the next topics. Now given number is y plus 11. So next its successor of y plus 11 is, successor means add 1 to the number y plus 11 plus 1. Y plus 11 plus 1 is, so we add like terms only. Y is variable and 11 and 1 are constants. So we add only constants 11 and 1. 11 plus 1 is 12. Y plus 12. This is the successor of y plus 11. Next we go to successor of k minus 4 is, here also what is the variable in this k minus 4? K is the variable. We can take any value in the place of k. So but we cannot take any other value other than 4. So k is constant variable and 4 is a constant. Next given number is k minus 4. So we have to find successor of k minus 4. Successor means we add 1 to the number k minus 4 plus 1. So here also k is constant variable and 4 comma 1 are constants. So we add only constant terms or only variable terms. So like terms minus 4 plus 1. Here we have two symbols. One is negative and the other is positive. So we subtract 1 from the biggest number. 4 minus 1 is 3 and put the symbol which the bigger number have. So k minus 3 is the successor of k minus 4. Next the predecessor of x minus 7 is, so given number is x minus 7. So its predecessor means subtract 1 from the number. So given number is x minus 7. So x minus 7, 1, subtract 1 from the given number, we write it as x minus 7 minus 1. So x minus 7 minus 1. Minus 7 minus 1 is minus 8. X is variable. So x minus 8 is predecessor of x minus 7. Next, the sum of a number y minus 14 and its successor is. So first we write given number is y minus 14. Its successor means add 1 to the number. So we add 1 to this given number y minus 14. So y minus 14 plus 1 y minus 13. So now sum of a number y minus 14 and its successor. So we have to add the number y minus 14 and its successor y minus 13. So sum equal to y minus 14 plus y minus 13. Now this is the sum of algebraic expressions. In this like terms are y are variables which are like terms. So y plus y is 1y plus 1y is 2y and minus 14 minus 13 is, both are negative symbols. So we add the numbers 14 comma 13 and put the symbol which they have, minus 27. 2y minus 27 is the sum of a number and its successor. So next we go to next problem. If the successor of 7x minus 8 is 21, then x equal to dash. So here first given number is 7x minus 8 and its successor is, we get its successor adding 1 to the number. So 7x minus 8 plus 1. So here 7x is one variable term and these two are constant terms, and minus 8 plus 1 is minus 7. So 7x minus 7. But given successor is 21. So 7x minus 7 equal to 21. This is the process to find the value of a variable in algebraic expressions. But in this 7x minus 8 equal to 21, we transposing minus 7 from LHS to RHS. LHS means left hand side. This is right hand side. This is left hand side. When we transposing a number from one side to other side, its sign will be changed from positive to negative or negative to positive. So in this case minus 7. When we transposing minus 7 from LHS to RHS, we write it as 21 minus 7 is transposing from LHS to RHS. Its sign minus is changed from minus to plus, minus 7 plus 7. So 21 plus 7 is 28. Now 7x equal to 28. Now x equal to, take transposing a number 7 from LHS to RHS, which is in the multiplicative operation. We divide it by 7. 28 by 7 equal to x. So x equal to 4. Next, if the predecessor of 4y minus 5 is 13, then y equal to dash. Here also given number is 4y minus 5. Its predecessor means subtract 1. So 4y minus 5 minus 1, 4y minus 6. Given predecessor is 30. So 4y minus 6 equal to 30. So in this minus 6 is transposing from LHS to RHS. Its sign will be changed to from negative to positive. So 30 minus 6 will be as plus 6. So 30 plus 6 is 36. 4y equal to 36. Y equal to 36 by 4. 4 ones, 4 nines. So y equal to 9. These are the problems in this session we have to discuss. Next, in the next session we go to next topic. Thank you.